Communication and media is not just in the written words, nor in the moving images, nor in the messages. Communication and media is the essence of humanistic and social scientific endeavor to observe how documented stories and untold events impact lives in many ways, to examine why meanings work differently across social, political, and economic groups. To use scientific criticism and artistic passion in creating socially responsible messages. And to become media practitioners committed to service, inspiration, and excellence. We're not just about communication theory and media production. We'll help you learn the skills that you can use for the path you'll choose or carve for yourself. Whether you're interested in keeping up with communication and media trends, giving voice to diversity, creating impactful stories, or developing a critical understanding of how society interacts and gives meaning to life. We encourage you to test and refine these skills, not only through your joys and passions, but more so in responding to the issues in our society. If you want to go beyond learning and into service, the best way to do that is by getting involved with our affiliated organizations. We have unraveled for you a tapestry of opportunities to apply your expertise and purpose as digital journalists, interactive storytellers, advocates of social transformation, public servants, researchers, academicians, and as more emphatic and thoughtful individuals. Human beings are social creatures. We need constant interaction to survive. By communicating, we create realities. We give meaning to our existence. We tell stories. We make a change in society. We serve a purpose. And that not only makes us human, it makes us humane. All these strengthen the character of an iskolar ng bayan. We need bearers of positive change who are passionate in learning about communication and media arts. If you're ready to receive the torch, join us in this adventure where we serve, inspire, and excel. Because back matters.